So remember, at 3 o'clock, we're going to have the pyrotechnics. It's going to be big, it's going to be loud, and it's going to be very proud. So just be aware of that. Just 1 second. Can I just also bear in mind that when we do the pyrotechnics, we need as many pilots up as possible, all right? So pyrotechnics at 3 o'clock, all pilots get as many aircraft out there in the sky as we possibly can, 3 o'clock, okay? As many as we can, says Steve Bishop. As many pilots, many planes as we possibly can at 3 o'clock for the pyrotechnics. Let's put on one heck of a show. This is the Can we have George Stone, please? George Stone, with the Lancaster, please. George Stone, can you come and join us on the flight line? George Stone, please. So when SAB first started the company with Enrique and Stefano in Italy, they were synonymous with making the most innovative RC helicopter. Started off with the original Doppler helicopter, and then 4 years ago they got into the design of fixing aircraft. And this is aerobatic design, and it's part of the system on it. And it's some very dual signals, aerodynamic capabilities, which becomes very sticky and set up. This signal is very got front separate, which you'll see right now. There you go. Look at that, everybody. So Of course, it's impossible to fly this thing without a 3-axis gyro. And as I say, with that thrust vectoring system, and those strange reverse delta wings makes this thing very, very manoeuvrable. And extremely careful. And flying this thing on the core radial system, 2-meter wingspan, and it's got a turbine. Another meter or so less than their engines. The Lancaster, the Spitfire, they're coming soon. So Steve just giving us another demonstration of how to cover this thing. So you can do it, buddy. working with that cross wind. You can see the gyro working hard for it. John Speed can do it. He's getting himself on the design. He'll be coming into land now. Nerves of steel to be able to do that sort of thing with a £5,000 aeroplane. Again, as you can see, as he's doing his approach, it's very slippery. It doesn't like low speed at all. So you've got to keep those wings very level. He's landing way down on the runway there, off the apron at the moment, so he'll taxi back. Many pilots, many planes as we possibly can at 3 o'clock for the pyrotechnics. Let's put on one heck of a show. This is the